Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best motherboard that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2. ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is a premium AM4 gaming motherboard built for AMD Ryzen processors. It combines PCIe 4.0 support, Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, and robust power delivery for gamers and PC enthusiasts. Price: $139.99. At under $140, this motherboard offers excellent value with premium features like Wi-Fi 6E, BIOS flashback, PCIe 4.0, and strong VRM cooling, making it one of the best B550 motherboards for Ryzen gaming builds. Supports AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000G, and 5000 series processors. AMD B550 chipset with PCIe 4.0 support for GPUs and NVMe SSDs. Built-in Wi-Fi 6E for faster wireless connectivity. 2.5 gigabits Ethernet LAN for low-latency online gaming. Robust power design with quality VRMs for stable performance. Dual M.2 slots with heatsinks for high-speed SSD storage. BIOS flashback for easy CPU compatibility updates. HDMI 2.1 output for integrated graphics-supported Ryzen CPUs. Supreme FX audio for immersive gaming sound. Aura Sync RGB lighting with addressable Gen 2 RGB headers. Multiple USB ports including high-speed USB connectivity. Pros: excellent performance for Ryzen gaming PCs. Built-in Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabits LAN. Strong VRM design supports high-end Ryzen CPUs. PCIe 4.0 support for modern GPUs and SSDs. Easy BIOS updates with flashback feature. Attractive ROG design with RGB customization. Cons: DDR5 memory is not supported, DDR4 only. No PCIe 5.0 support. Limited future upgrade path since AM4 platform is older. Some advanced users may want more M.2 slots. Number 4. GIGABYTE B550MK. GIGABYTE B550MK is a budget-friendly micro ATX motherboard designed for AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors. It offers essential gaming and productivity features with PCIe 4.0 support at an affordable price. Price: $69.99. For under $70, the B550MK delivers impressive value with PCIe 4.0, dual M.2 slots, and Ryzen 5000 compatibility, making it an excellent choice for budget gaming and entry-level PC builds. Supports AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000G, and 5000 series CPUs. AMD B550 chipset with PCIe 4.0 support for modern GPUs and SSDs. Compact micro ATX form factor for smaller PC builds. Dual M.2 slots for fast NVMe SSD storage expansion. DDR4 memory support with speeds up to 3200 MHz and beyond via overclocking. 3+3 digital power phase design for stable everyday performance. USB 3.2 Gen 1 connectivity for fast data transfers. Gigabit Ethernet LAN for reliable online gaming and networking. QFlash feature allows BIOS updates without installing a CPU. PCIe X16 slot reinforced for modern graphics cards. Pros: very affordable B550 motherboard. Supports Ryzen 5000 CPUs out of the box. PCIe 4.0 support for future-ready upgrades. Dual M.2 slots at a budget price. QFlash BIOS update feature is extremely convenient. Compact micro ATX size fits most cases. Cons: basic 3+3 VRM design limits heavy CPU overclocking. No built-in Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Fewer USB ports compared to premium B550 boards. Basic audio solution. Limited RGB and premium gaming features. Number 3. GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6. GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 is a feature-packed ATX motherboard for AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors. It combines strong power delivery, PCIe 4.0 support, and built-in Wi-Fi 6 at a budget-friendly price. Price: $99.99. At just $99.99, this motherboard offers outstanding value with a robust 10+3 power phase design, Wi-Fi 6, PCIe 4.0, dual M.2 slots, and USB-C connectivity, features typically found on more expensive boards. Supports AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000G, and 5000 series processors. AMD B550 chipset with PCIe 4.0 support for next-gen GPUs and SSDs. Strong 10+3 power phase VRM design for stable gaming and productivity workloads. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 for fast wireless networking. Gigabit Ethernet LAN for reliable wired connections. Dual M.2 slots for high-speed NVMe SSD storage. USB-C connectivity for modern peripherals and faster transfers. Full-size ATX form factor with plenty of expansion options. PCIe Easy Latch design for easier graphics card installation and removal. RGB fusion support for customizable lighting effects. DDR4 memory support with overclocking capability. Pros: excellent value at under $100. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 included. Strong 10+3 VRM design handles Ryzen 7 and Ryzen 9 CPUs well. PCIe 4.0 support for modern gaming hardware. Dual M.2 slots for storage upgrades. USB-C and ATX layout provide great expandability. Easy Latch makes GPU installation easier. Cons: no Wi-Fi 6E support. Lacks premium 2.5 gigabits Ethernet found on higher-end boards. Audio solution is basic compared to gaming-focused models. DDR5 and PCIe 5.0 are not supported. RGB features are more limited than flagship motherboards. Number 2. GIGABYTE B550 Gaming XV2. GIGABYTE B550 Gaming XV2 is a budget-friendly ATX gaming motherboard designed for AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors. It offers strong power delivery, PCIe 4.0 support, and gamer-focused features at an affordable price. Price: $89.99. At under $90, the B550 Gaming XV2 delivers excellent value with a powerful 10+3 phase VRM, PCIe 4.0 support, dual M.2 slots, and QFlash Plus, making it a great choice for budget and mid-range gaming PCs. Supports AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000G, and 5000 series processors. AMD B550 chipset with PCIe 4.0 support for GPUs and NVMe SSDs. Robust 10+3 power phase design for stable gaming and multitasking performance. Full-size ATX motherboard with multiple expansion slots. Dual M.2 slots for fast NVMe SSD storage. Front panel USB-C header for modern PC cases. Gigabit Ethernet LAN for reliable online gaming. QFlash Plus allows BIOS updates without installing a CPU. RGB fusion support for customizable lighting effects. DDR4 memory support with overclocking capability. PCIe X16 reinforced slot for modern graphics cards. Pros: outstanding value for under $90. Strong 10+3 VRM design suitable for Ryzen 7 and Ryzen 9 CPUs. PCIe 4.0 support for future-ready gaming builds. Dual M.2 slots for storage flexibility. Front USB-C support adds convenience. QFlash Plus makes BIOS updates easy. ATX form factor provides excellent expandability. Cons: no built-in Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Only gigabit LAN, lacks faster 2.5 gigabits networking. Basic onboard audio compared to premium gaming boards. No PCIe 5.0 or DDR5 support. RGB features are more limited than higher-end models. Number 1. ASUS TUF Gaming B550 plus Wi-Fi 2. ASUS TUF Gaming B550 plus Wi-Fi 2 is a durable ATX gaming motherboard built for AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series CPUs. It focuses on stability, cooling, and long-term gaming performance. Price: $119.99. At around $120, this board sits in the sweet spot, offering premium TUF military-grade durability, Wi-Fi 6, 2.5 gigabits LAN, and strong VRM cooling, making it great value for mid to high-end Ryzen gaming builds. Supports AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000G, and 5000 series processors. PCIe 4.0 support for next-gen GPUs and ultra-fast NVMe SSDs. Strong TUF-grade power delivery system with enhanced VRM cooling for stable performance. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 for fast and stable wireless gaming. 2.5 gigabits Ethernet LAN for low-latency competitive online gaming. Dual M.2 slots with heatsinks for high-speed storage. BIOS flashback for easy CPU compatibility updates without CPU installed. USB 3.2 Gen 2 for fast data transfer and modern peripherals. Aura Sync RGB Plus addressable Gen 2 RGB headers for customization. TUF military-grade components for long-term durability. ATX form factor with solid upgrade expansion options. Pros: very strong build quality. TUF durability standard. Excellent VRM cooling for Ryzen 7/Ryzen 9 CPUs. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 plus 2.5 gigabits LAN. PCIe 4.0 plus dual M.2 support. BIOS flashback is very convenient. Great stability for long gaming sessions. Cons: no PCIe 5.0 support. DDR4 only, no DDR5 upgrade path. Slightly more expensive than basic B550 boards. RGB features are minimal compared to ROG series. Want a stable and powerful gaming build? Check the product link in the description for the best deals. Like the video if this helped. Subscribe for more PC build guides and motherboard reviews.